But the reason I ask, I picked this up from Mothercare. You're going to love this. I picked this up from Mothercare. What it is, it's made by the people at VTech. And what they're doing, they're really trying to get in on this computer generation because this is made for 1-year-olds, right? And it's called a mini laptop. 3 buttons essentially. There's a cat, a bird, and an ant. And when you press the button, it says what the animal is, and then it makes the noise that the animal makes, right? So for instance, you've got a cat, right? Cat. Here it is.
Cat.
It's cute, isn't it? A bird. Bird.
Bird.
Yeah. And an ant. And get to place the fucking bongos apparently. I don't know what fucking it is. But the best thing about this is that if you do cat and ant in a certain way, you get the word
Cat.
1-year-olds! Here it is.
Cat. Cat.
Unfortunately, it doesn't make a noise like one. Yeah, there's none of that. Yeah. There's none of that. Too much. So I've had that for a little while, right? So I thought to myself, okay, here we go then. Oh yeah. Let's just experiment a little bit, shall we, right? Because you see this one, right? This one does the letter sound. So what you can do is you can make up words and sentences, all right? So it goes like this.
Learn the letter sound.
Yeah, it goes like this. Goes.
A-ba-ka-da.
Right, so let me see. Geezer here, what's your name, fella?
Simon.
Simon. Okay, how about you, mate? What's your name?
Alan.
Alan. And need another fellow. You mate, over there, just there. What's your name?
Jim.
Jim. Jim. Perfect. Okay. Perfect. Thank you, Jim. Thanks for coming. Here's the word Jim. All right, here it is. Jim goes like this.
Ja-i-ma.
Jim. So once you've got the word, you can then put that word into a sentence, right? So.
Ja-i-ma. Sucks.
Wait for it, right?
Ja-i-ma. Sucks. Cucks.
So then that makes Jim a... I've not doctored these machines in any way at all, I promise you that. And the word bollocks sounds fantastic on this, right? Here's the word bollocks, right? Bollocks.
Butlocks.
You can do the sex noises, they're quite fun. You go. Oh my God, wrong hole. So some laughs of recognition there from some of the girls. And Jim for some reason. But the very best thing that you can do on this machine is the phrase, fuck off, you motherfucker, right? So I can do it, here we go.
Fuck off, you motherfucker.
Yes, that's right, ladies and gentlemen. I've got far too much time on my hands. But you're all good about in Mothercare looking for them, aren't you? It's called Stephen Hawking with Tourette's. So listen, what a fantastic comedy club this is, and what a fucking awesome audience you are, ladies and gentlemen. Wonderful. If there is anybody out there in the audience tonight who would like to follow me, I'm going to be going out that way.